Should I get petroleum engineering degree or engineering technology diploma? If you're about to get into higher education and you're interested in studying engineering, you might find yourself debating whether you should study petroleum engineering at university or just get petroleum engineering technology diploma in college. There are quite a few differences between those two choices, and I'll try to cover most of them. First of all, you should be aware that both engineering degree and engineering technology diploma will get you a good job with excellent salary in most cases. However, the job you'll be doing might be slightly different. Most people with diploma are working in a field environment, while the ones with the degree will probably end up working in an office. Let's start with petroleum engineering degree and see what are advantages and disadvantages of getting it. First of all, to get into engineering, you will be required to have a very high grades after your high school. You will also need to be extremely good in calculus, math, and physics. It's going to take about 4 years to get engineering degree. However, in most cases, it will take 5 if you take an internship or co-op. On a positive note, most petroleum engineers make more money doing internship than the students from other majors make after graduation. After you graduate, it's possible that the first few years you'll be required to work in the field, so that you get familiar with technical aspects of the oil extraction. Most big companies, oil companies, have positions for new grads where you will be rotated between different departments. For example, first 4 months you'll be working in the drilling department, then you might work in production, then reservoir engineering, and at the end you might even work in more business-oriented department. Rotating new grads between various departments fulfills 2 goals. First of all, new grads get familiar with the whole industry, and secondly, they'll be able to choose the department which they enjoyed working the most. After receiving professional designations such as PhD in Canada, you'll most likely work in office for 40 hours a week with occasional visits to the field. Now, let's talk about the work you'll be doing if you get petroleum technology diploma. It usually takes 2 years to get a diploma, and the course load is usually lighter than in engineering programs. Things you'll be learning will be very job-oriented, and you'll get lots of hands-on experience. After graduation, you will most likely work in the field. While working in the field, you'll probably have rotational shifts such as 2 weeks on and 1 week off, or something like that. The work you'll be doing will not be particularly physically challenging, but you will be required in most cases to work 12 hours a day. After working in the field for 5–10 years, you'll probably get a job in an office.